You're standing at the edge of an ancient ocean, but there are no fish, no plants, no sounds, just endless water stretching into the distance. The land is barren, lifeless, the sky unfamiliar. It's a world untouched by time, over 600 million years ago. But beneath the surface of these silent waters, something extraordinary is happening. For the first time in Earth's history, a creature moves. Not just a microbe, not just a cell, but something alive, in a way the world had never seen before. This was the moment that changed everything. The moment when the first animal emerged. But what was it? What did it look like? And how did it survive in a world so alien to us? To find the answer, we have to go back to a time before dinosaurs, before forests, even before eyes existed. The Ediacaran period. A time so ancient that most of what lived back then left no fossils, no traces at all. But in rare cases, scientists have found clues, hints of life forms that might have been the 100 first true animals. One of the leading candidates? A bizarre, soft-bodied creature called Dickinsonia. It looked like a ribbed pancake lying flat on the seafloor, absorbing nutrients through its body. No mouth, no brain, no obvious way to move. But recent studies suggest it was, in fact, an animal. Possibly one of the very first. But Dickinsonia wasn't alone. There was Sprigna, a tiny worm-like creature that may have been an ancestor of insects and arthropods. And then there's an even more mind-bending theory. What if the first animal wasn't something we'd recognize at all? What if it was a sponge? Yes, sponges. They might not seem impressive, but DNA evidence suggests that sponges or sponge-like creatures could be the earliest animals on Earth. They don't have brains or muscles, but they filter water for food, a trait that could have been one of the first steps toward complex life. But here's the real mystery. Why did animals appear at all? For 3 billion years, life on Earth was nothing more than bacteria and tiny single-celled organisms. Then, suddenly, something changed. Some scientists believe it was oxygen. Rising levels in the ocean provided the energy needed for more complex life to evolve. Others suggest it was a result of genetic evolution, the slow accumulation of small changes that eventually led to something new. And then there's the much strangest idea of all. What if the first animal wasn't from Earth? Some theories suggest that life's building blocks might have come from space, delivered by asteroids or comets, and kick-started evolution in ways we still don't understand. No matter how it happened, one thing is clear. The emergence of the first animal changed the course of history forever. It set off a chain reaction that led to every living creature we see today. Dinosaurs, mammals, birds, even humans. And yet, despite all our knowledge, we still don't know exactly which creature started it all. Could it be Dickinsonia? Sponges? Or something we haven't even discovered yet? The answer might be buried deep beneath ancient rock layers, waiting for someone to find it. And until then, the mystery remains. If you enjoyed this journey into the past, don't forget to like and subscribe for more mind-blowing discoveries about the history of life. What do you think was the first animal? Let's discuss in the comments below.